Hi, I'm Lorraine Fouché, your media specialist at Barack and Michelle Obama Academy. This is a quick tutorial about the snippet tool. I am going to build a one slide presentation, but I would like to use this Google area here, the word Google. I can click down here and type snipping, or I can see it, the snipping tool is right here for my access. Click it. It brings up the little menu area. You have new, a certain mode. I never really go in here. Freeform, rectangle snip, window snip, or full screen snip if you want the entire screen. And delay, I never use this at all, either 1 second, 2 second. Cancel when it's illuminated, you can select that and then more options under there. I simply click new, and you'll see that your screen kind of goes into a shadow or white position. You have these crosshairs. Take the crosshairs and you select in the area. So you have to click, hold, drag the rectangle or square or how much of the area you want. And you can see that becomes illuminated or in color. So I just want this area here because that's all I want to use. When I let go, it's going to bring up a window with that selected area in it. At this point, I can save my snip, copy my snip, send the snip. I can write on the snip. I never really use any of these things, but I want to just simply save it. So I can save this, and it usually goes, it's a JPEG file, and you select where you want to save it. I'm going to say pictures, and I'm just going to call this Google. So it's saved there for my future use. If I want to copy it, because I know I'm going to use it immediately, I click copy, and we can leave this window open. I can go back to my presentation, and I can click hot buttons, Control V for victory, and it pastes down here. So now I'm able to move this. I don't need the title area. I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need the subtitle area. Get rid of that. And now I can simply move. You have to click and then kind of click and hold on the blue cursors around the word. I'm going to place it in the middle. That red line lets me know I'm centered. And then I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And then I'm going to bring it back to the center and let go. We just use the snippet tool. That's one way to use it. Once again, click at the bottom, look for snippet, or I can type in snipping, and it'll come up looking like this. I just click it, it opens up. It's going to have the last picture that I just snipped, but I just click new because I want to snip something new. Now, be careful when you click new, because if I click new now, I'm actually on my Google slide and I don't want to snip anything there. All you have to do, if you make that error, click cancel. It still leaves up your window for your snipping tool, but I want to go back here and let's say, oh, I want to snip this area down here. If you can see my timeline bar at the bottom, the snippet tool looks like a pair of scissors, snipping. I bring it back up. I click new because I want a new area, and I just want to snip this area right there. I let go. Remember, you hold, drag the crosshairs, drop. I let go. And at this time, instead of me saving this, I'm going to copy it because I don't think I'm going to use it again. I'm just going to use it this one time. I go back to my slide, and now I can click the hot buttons, Control Paste or Command V on a Mac. So Command V on a Mac is paste. Command V for victory on a Mac is paste. Control V for victory on a regular computer, PC or Chromebook is paste. Control V. And now I can make this as large or as small as I want. I put it in the center. And I have just snipped some items. And this may come in handy when you just want a portion of a PDF that you might have, if you're building a slide for your students. That's about it. Once again, this is Lorraine Fouché, and everyone have a great day.